Welcome to my channel for the love of decor and more. My name is Robin, and on my channel you will find lots of decorating and DIY ideas. Today I will be showing you my holiday decor in my family room. The colors I went with for this holiday season is gold, cream, sage, and a hint of baby blue. If you are new to my channel, welcome, and if you are a returning viewer, welcome back. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notifications bell so that you are notified when I upload new videos. Let's get into it. Happy holidays. This year I went with clustering my ornaments. I bought these really pretty ornaments because they had an assortment in the packaging and they came from Walmart. They are this really pretty, almost like a silver undertone baby blue color. They came in different shapes, as you can see here, in different textures, which I loved. And I also picked up these sage color ornaments as well. The gold ornaments I already had, and this really pretty sequence of gift box and reindeers I picked up at Big Lots a few years ago. My pillows that you see on the couch and love seat came from Home Goods. The sage throw blanket I purchased over at Tuesday Morning earlier this year. That Christmas pillow is something I picked up in a haul a few weeks back, and that video is on my channel if you'd like to go back and view all the Christmas items that I picked up for this season. I picked up this Santa last year at the at-home store, and these Christmas tree cones I picked up over at Home Goods. Those really pretty eucalyptus stems came from Ross. They are so pretty. I hope the camera did those justice. These really pretty leaf gold, kind of a speckled sequence, little clips, tree clips I picked up at the at-home store last year. These really pretty stockings I picked up at Home Goods, and those were also included in my haul this year. Those vases I picked up over at Ross, and I got those for a steal. They were $10.99 and they are so beautiful. I had those gold and white hydrangeas from a few years ago. I just placed those in those vases, and the other two stockings you see also came from Home Goods. The sage tabletop beads came from Tuesday Morning, and the setting in the dish on the platter came from Target in the bullseye section, and they were $5 each. It is two pieces in that gold bowl. I am just setting the ambiance here with lots of candles. I have some more eucalyptus leaves at the bottom of this TV stand, and this beautiful arrangement at the top came from Ross. That was also included in my haul from a couple weeks ago. I love the way everything came together. My furniture just really pulled in those colors that I went with for this holiday season, and the pillows that I already had on hand, everything just worked so perfectly. I just picked up a few accent items for my holiday theme. The lamp in the background I picked up many years ago from a local furniture store here in California. I love that lamp, and I try to pull it out every now and again. There was a time period I had forgotten that I had it, but it is such a statement piece. I really love this lamp. So I thought that it really worked perfect in this space. If you've been following me for a while, one more thing that I forgot to mention that I know you've noticed by now, I did move the furniture around, giving it a more inviting setting. When you come in the house, you can see, folks sitting on the couch. You can converse with them because of how the furniture is situated. I thought it was a welcoming setting, so that's why I moved the furniture around a bit, and I tend to do that pretty frequently. Here are some photos of the look, and I hope you have enjoyed this video and have been inspired to get your home holiday ready if you have not. Don't forget to subscribe, and I look forward to plenty more videos in the future. And cheers to 2023 coming up soon. I wish you all prosperity and joy, and I'll see you in the next video.